Today's topic is H4 Work Authorization Act. Hi everyone, I am Priya from It's OK Yaar and welcome back to our channel. If you're new today, It's OK Yaar is a content platform for South Asian immigrants and we aim to educate, entertain and empower them. Today's topic is H4 Work Authorization Act. As you all know, a new bill has been introduced in the Congress and a lot of you messaged us asking what it means and you had a ton of questions. So what we are going to do in this video is answer some of those questions so that by the end of it you get a very good understanding of what that bill is and what it means for your EAD. So keep watching, but before you do that, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. We have so much content planned for you and would love a lot of support and love from everyone who's watching. So let's first understand what the bill actually is. The bill is called H4 Work Authorization Act and it was introduced by two congresswomen, Maria Salazar and Carolyn Bourdeau, to address the shortage that exists in the American workforce right now because of the Great Resignation, as well as help immigrant families. What the bill is trying to do is make sure that as soon as you have your H4 visa, you are able to work. So you don't have to go through an application process to go through an EAD, basically removing the I-765 that you need right now and which is a delayed process to get your EAD. Our understanding is it's very similar to what they have done with L2, where once you're on an L2 visa, you're directly allowed to work. So you don't need to go through another process of getting an EAD card. They're trying to bring that for H4. Personally, I think it's a great initiative and I hope it happens soon because the delays are just crazy right now. Now that we have a very good understanding of what the bill is, let's understand how bills actually work and how long can it take for this bill to become a reality. So let's understand how the bill works. For a bill to become a law, it has to be approved both in the House and in the Senate. Right now it's a bill. The next step would be it going to the House, getting approval, then going to the Senate, getting approval, and then it goes to the President, who can then either approve or veto, and he has the final right to do that. So all in all, this could be a longer process from it being a bill to it actually becoming a law. So now that we have understood how the bill works and what it takes for a bill to become a law, let's understand a couple of things that USCIS is doing currently to reduce the wait times. We have done a detailed video on it that we will also link so that you can go check that out. But let's understand the two most important things. One is introducing premium processing for H4 EAD and the second one is USCIS trying to reduce their own backlogs through cycle time goals. This is both excellent news for H4 EAD holders because if premium processing comes, then with an additional $1,500 to $2,500 they will be able to get their EAD cards in 15 days, which is what the timeline for premium processing is and it exists for H1B visa holders. The next one is USCIS trying to reduce their own backlog through cycle time goals. Again, like I mentioned, we have discussed cycle time goals and what it means in detail, so check that video out. However, the big thing that USCIS is trying to do and our takeaway should be, they are trying to reduce the backlog, which means anyone who's been waiting, that wait time will get reduced to 90 days. So what USCIS is trying to do is basically make sure that any application that comes to them, they try to clear that in 90 days. We are not immigration consultants or lawyers. Everything is based on our own research. So if you're taking any action, please, we highly recommend you have a legal attorney and take action through them. We definitely want to talk about three big takeaways. That is our POV. The number one takeaway is that this is a step in the right direction, but it will take longer for a bill to become a law. We don't know what that timeline looks like. Number two is premium processing for EAD is definitely the right thing to do. However, the timeline for that, based on everything USCIS has shared so far, it looks like it will be around 2025. The third one, or the most important one, which I think is good news for H4 EAD work holders, is that USCIS is trying to reduce their backlogs and most EAD applications will start getting approved within 90 days. What we need to wait and watch is whether that happens in the next 6 months or whether it happens in the next 1 year. Either way, this will definitely reduce backlogs, and hopefully you will not be waiting another year or 2 years to get your EAD, and you don't have to lose your job, and hopefully you will get that in time once USCIS is able to implement those cycle time goals. Hopefully all of this helps you guys. This is definitely all of the right things that are happening, and hopefully it gets implemented very, very soon. If you're still waiting for your EAD, we sincerely hope you get that very, very soon. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Please hit that like button. Please tell us in comments how we are doing. We could really use a little bit of love and support as we create more content for you. Thank you so much for watching us. We also create a lot of content on Instagram. You can check out at It's OKR and follow us there as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that helps you guys. If things are not going your way, remember It's OKR and sending you all of the positive vibes. Hope that helps. Bye.